Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing the EasyPress Mini. So I got the smallest one because I thought it'd be good to start off with, and because it was the cheapest, so I thought this would be a good one to start with as I'd never used one before, and it looks really cool. So it says it's mini but mighty, and it's also compatible with infusible ink, but I haven't got any of that yet, so I'll have to try that in the future. And it says it's for unusual objects, tight spaces and hard to reach places. And it says effortless heat transfers, free heat settings for iron-on and infusible ink projects, personalise the unexpected, customise unique items like hats, shoes or even stuffed animals, and thoughtful, compact design, easily press between buttons and seams with precision tip. And then here it says it's got a comfortable handle, auto off feature, free easy heat settings, dry even heat, precision tip and a safety base. And the size of it is 8.2 centimetres by 4.8 centimetres. So it's quite little, but it fits in your hand quite well. So now I'm going to open it. Right, so I've now opened the box. It looks so cute. It is kind of smaller than I imagined, but it looks so cute, and the red is really lovely and bright. So it says, let's get started. And then it says, power heat setting, press to cycle through heat settings and off. It says low, medium, high and off or standby, and warming up and reach that temperature. So it shows kind of what it means, like the different buttons and things. So that's cool, I can't wait to try it. And then oh, it's quite heavy. It's heavier than I expected, smaller but heavier. Here is the plug. Oh, it's so little. Here's just the safety bit that says it operates at high temperatures that can cause burns or other injury. Wow, it actually does fit in your hand really well, so that's cool. And then here is the plug. And here is the safety base, which just goes into like that. And there's also safety instructions and the warranty. And that is everything. So that looks really cool and I'm really excited to try it out. So I'll probably try it out in my next video, and it's going to be really good because I'll be able to do lots of different projects with it using my Gemflex vinyl as well, which is all sparkly and pretty, so it'll be really cool to try out. Ooh. And I fell out the safety base. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, bye!